Hello, you are welcome here to my channel. If you are watching for the first time, you are highly welcome, and to my returning supporters, thanks a lot for coming back. In this video, we are making plantain fish soup, which is a natural remedy for cold and flu. If you are interested, come along and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. The following are the ingredients that we have to work with to make our plantain fish soup. We have fresh catfish, we have black pepper, we have salt, we have a fresh lemon, which I'm going to use to wash the fish to remove like the fishy odor and taste. We have a dry lemon also, which I'm going to add to the soup to give it like a little tangy taste. Also, we also have ginger root. We have turmeric powder, habanero pepper, we have onion, garlic paste, scallion, and green plantain. So now I'm going to wash the fish. I'm going to use some lemon juice and salt. Sometimes I use lime juice and salt and vinegar just to make sure the smell of the fish is minimized, and I normally use it to wash the skin of the fish. The catfish skin is very thick and slippery, although they already wash this in the store very well, but I still normally use salt to scrub it more, and with a lime or lemon with vinegar. Yeah, I've scrubbed the fish properly, so I'll take it to the tap to rinse it well. So the fish has been thoroughly washed. I'm now going to put the fish in the pot. So we're going to set this aside. Okay. So now I'm going to chop my onion. Going to add the onion into the fish. So now I'm going to add the plantain, the green plantain, which is very rich in iron and is going to serve as our little carbohydrates in the soup. Now it's time to cut up the ginger root. This ginger root, I already have garlic paste. If I don't have garlic paste, I usually blend the garlic and the ginger together and the habanero pepper, but I have the garlic paste already, so I'm chopping up the ginger, which I'm going to put in the blender and add the habanero pepper with it and blend everything into a paste to be added to the soup. Habanero pepper is not compulsory. Like if you don't like spicy food, you can use black pepper, in place of that, and you can just use it, to your taste. So now I'm going to blend the ginger root with the habanero pepper quickly in the blender. The ginger and the pepper is blended, and I'm adding it to the fish with the plantain in the pot. I'm going to add the garlic paste also. And I'm adding turmeric powder. You can use, sometimes when I have turmeric, the fresh one, I blend it together with the pepper and the ginger. I always love to add a dried lemon or lime to my soup because it gives it a little like a tangy taste, and then and it helps also to break down more bad fat in whatever you are cooking. It's not compulsory. If you don't like it, then you can just take that out, but I love doing that. Yes, right now I'm adding some black pepper, some salt, and some water. This soup is super packed with everything you need to fight cold and flu naturally. For example, we have turmeric, ginger, garlic, and peppers, which are very high in anti-inflammatory. They are antibiotics. And we also have plantain, which is very rich in iron and fiber. And we also have lemon, which is rich in vitamin C, and the fish gives us the protein. So this soup may also, help you to lose some weight because it fills you up quickly instead of eating heavy foods. You may eat this soup at any time of the day, and it may also help you with cleaning your gut. Yeah, because I myself, I do embark on this soup, this kind of soup. Like whenever I feel like heavy, like I added some little weight, I just embark on soup like this. I take it like twice a day, and before 3-4 days, I just feel different. I feel lighter and I feel good. If you are enjoying this video, click the like button, share and subscribe if you have not, to get more of this from my kitchen. So now I'm going to transfer it onto the stove. Yes, the soup has been boiling for like 10 minutes. So I'm going to add a little more black pepper just to spice up the taste. And then I'm going to stir it and check the salt. So now I'm going to cover it and let it cook for a little more. The fish looks well cooked now because you can see that it's floating, and that's the best way to know that the fish is well cooked. It floats. Now I'm going to cut up the green onion, which I'm going to add to it, and which I'm going to use to garnish. Should be good. Now it's time to add the green onion to garnish the soup and give it more flavor. And right now, I'm going to take it off the stove. Yes, our super nutrient-packed soup is ready to fight any cold or flu. This is how I usually portion it into my little glass plates and store them in the freezer or fridge. This soup can be eaten any time of the day, in the morning as breakfast, especially with this cold season. You can also eat it in the evening as your dinner when you are trying to avoid heavy food. When you have been outside in this cold, this soup will keep you warm and strengthen your immunity. The fish is super soft and super tasty, and whenever you need to enjoy it, just warm it up and just enjoy the fish, because each time you take it out from your freezer and warm it, and it just tastes fresh like you just made it. If you watch this video to the end, thank you for your time. And if you are yet to subscribe and click the like button so that you'll be able to get more from my kitchen. Thank you. Stay blessed and bye for now. And see you in my next video.